Hi Shimmy Shake Up, welcome to day 12 of our 30-day dance challenge. I teach you a new combination every single day leading up to a full choreography for the end of the year. And this video is an exciting one because all the combinations we've learnt from day 8 to today, we're now going to bring together with music at the end. So yes, keep watching to the end of the video so that you can bring it all together. If you haven't learnt combinations 8 to 12, well, you haven't learnt 12 yet, but I'm about to teach you, then please check them out first. And if you like to, you can learn the first section from days 1 to 7 and learn the first part of the choreography too. So as I said, this part is very upbeat, high energy, lots of fun. So the combination today is a very simple one, but one move you will need to know, or there's 2 moves, your flutter arms, your undulations, and your feet shimmy. Okay, so that's actually 3. And a walk, but I'm assuming most of you know how to walk. So remember, with your undulations, you want to bring your chest forward, your stomach forward, and then your hips forward. So to get that chest forward, you're imagining that torso sliding forward. To get your stomach forward, your weight comes forward in your feet, but you're also releasing through your muscles, trying to push them out here. And then to get your hips forward, you're bending your knees, squeezing through your glutes, squeezing through your lower core. Once you've got this move, you can try and smooth it out. And we're going to come into a walk with our undulation today. So if you haven't walked your undulation before, remember when you bring the foot forward, your weight comes onto the front foot, that's when your body comes forward. And then when you step onto the back foot, your undulation comes back. So normally you're coming forward, 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 and then release. It's that release part where the back foot comes in. The forward part is the forward, 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 that's the front foot, and then the back foot here. So it's step and step. That's it. Yeah, nice. Just give a little practice to these ones if you haven't done them before. Walking around whatever space you have. When I get tired, I always forget to do hips in the undulation. I'm very chest and stomach dominant. I find after years of teaching this move, people are either chest dominant or hip dominant usually. So yeah, just watch out for each 3 parts. Okay, so in our combination today, very simple to begin. We're just stepping forward, step forward with undulation, step forward with undulation. So I'll show you again. I'll show you from the side actually so you can see. It's step, step, undulate, undulate. So 2 steps, just normal steps, and then 2 with the undulations. Again, step, without the undulation, step, step, step with undulation, step with undulation. Good. One more time to the front. Step, step, undulate, and undulate. So you can see we've been traveling forward in this step, so we now need to get to the back of our stage, and to do that, we're coming into our feet shimmy. So remember, feet hip width apart, pelvis tucked in, chest up, you're lifting one foot off the floor, then the other, and you're moving to the back corner. As we do this, we're doing a nice flutter arm. So for your flutter arm, your elbow comes up, your wrist comes up, your fingers come up, and then down. So your palm is facing towards you on the up, and away from you on the down. Let's try the other side, up and down. This is such a beautiful, graceful move as well. So sometimes when you feel like dancing, but you don't feel like getting up, you can just relax and sit there and do this one. Yeah, nice. It's got that beautiful soft feeling, doesn't it? Okay, so into the combination, I'll walk you through it. It's step, step, step and undulate, feet shimmy back corner, and feet shimmy other corner. Let's try it again to the other side. Step, step, undulate, undulate, feet shimmy, and feet shimmy. In your feet shimmy, try and let everything here shake, just by letting it relax. One more time, this side starts. Step, step, undulate, undulate, feet shimmy, and feet shimmy, and again, step, step, let's start the other side. Step, step, undulate, undulate, feet shimmy, and feet shimmy. When you're doing this step, if you're doing it in other choreographies or improvisations yourself for your own performance, it doesn't really matter which way you go, because as you step, You're coming in, so you can go feet shimmy either side. It doesn't really matter. But in our choreography, we're going to be going with our right leg and then doing the flutter to this side first. Good job. Okay, shimmy shaker, it's the time you've been waiting for. We're bringing combinations 8 to 12 together into our choreography. So I'm gonna walk you through it first, then we will do it with the music. So remember, we're starting off. Remember this combination 8. Check out the video for combination 8 if you can't remember this one or you haven't done it, because otherwise you might be a little confused. We're coming drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back, around, and head, feet shimmy, over, and turn, and shimmy up to speed. My hair doesn't get stuck in my face. And then the other side, front foot, drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back, around, and shimmy. Feet shimmy the other side, and change. Feet shimmy in a little circle, and shimmy up. We've got our drop, release, the Saidi rhythm. Down, up, down, release, down, up, down, release. Jewel, my favorite, Jewel, and release through that back. And then stepping in, step, step, undulate, undulate, feet shimmy, and feet shimmy. Yay, nice work. Okay, let's walk it through with the music. I will talk you through it for this section. Enjoy it. Pop, 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 chest, 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 kick, release, step, back, around, and head. Shimmy right, shimmy left, turn, and shimmy up, other side. Drop, release, drop, release, drop, release, push back, around, and shimmy. Feet shimmy left, feet shimmy right, feet shimmy circle with the rhythm. Down, up, down, release. Down, up, down, release. Jewel, jewel, release, down. Walk it forward, step, step. Undulate, undulate, feet shimmy. With the arm, coming into accents. Let's go. Shimmy shaker. So that is day 12 of our 30-day dance challenge done. Tomorrow we will start on section 3 of the choreography with our 13th combination. So please make sure you tune in then. Have a beautiful day and I will see you tomorrow.